Managing GSTR1 filing manually across invoices, validations, and reconciliations can be time-consuming. With KDK software, the complete process is managed in one connected workflow. For filing the GSTR1, click on the Launchpad. Then click on Import Books Data. Here we have options to import data using Excel sheet, JSON file, and other templates. Select the required template. Now when we import the data, we have two options: append or overwrite. Click on Import. All related data available in the Excel sheet is directly imported. Now the software starts ingesting, processing, validating, and distributing the information automatically under different heads. Here you can see all the data has been imported automatically. Now click on the Filter option. Here we can identify invoices coming under errors due to duplicate invoices because those invoices already exist. There are also invoices available under Warning and Review which need correction. We can correct the entries directly from here. Otherwise, from the Launchpad, we can download the error Excel, make corrections, and re-import the same file. Now move to the Action Center. Here we can manage data as required. Under Invoice Data, we can check all invoice details available on the portal. We can also check how many e-invoices are available, whether they are generated by us or by others. Threshold invoices are also visible here. We can check GST portal data here. Now click on Download IMS to download IMS data. Next, open log files. Here we can check how many invoices were edited by users, including the time and user details. Before submitting the return, we can export the data in PDF, JSON, and Excel formats. Now click on Customize. From here, we can show or hide dashboard heads as required. All related B2B, P2CS, and other information can be reviewed here. Next, move to Reconciliation. The software reconciles transactions between books, e-invoices, and GST portal data. If transactions match, they appear under the Match column. Using filters, we can identify matched or partially matched transactions. We can also select transactions in bulk and choose whether to accept e-invoice data, GST portal data, or books data. We can define a tolerance value such as 5 or 10 rupees. Minor differences within the tolerance are treated as matched by the software. Next, move to Review. Before filing the return, the software displays how many invoices are being filed, error invoices, and section-wise status breakup. We can also compare previous month and current month data. HSN, B2B, and B2CS details are also available here. Summary view is also available to review summary invoices. Now click on File. Here both options are available: Upload with OTP or Upload without OTP. Select the required option and click on File Return. The return is directly submitted from the software itself without separately logging into the GST portal. From import to reconciliation and final filing, manage the complete GSTR1 workflow seamlessly with KDK software.